What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Munchpak. I am super excited. This box is basically like Snack Crate, but it's called the Munchpak, where they send you different snacks from all over the world. I am super excited, so let's go ahead and get into this box. As soon as I got it in the mail, I was like, yay! This is definitely what I want. So I have been waiting for this box, and I did not get any updates until it said that it was out for delivery. So let's look at the pamphlet. Last time I looked inside the pamphlet and I messed up my surprise. So it says Munchpak, featuring delicious snacks from Turkey, India, Japan, and more. So I am super excited about that. So let's go ahead and reveal the goodies. Okay. So this looks good so far. It's really full. We have some savory items. In Snack Crate, you usually get a lot of sweets, and I didn't like that so much. So I'm really excited about these chips and other stuff. So one thing that catches my attention the most, which I never seen before, is the black sesame biscuits. And this is the black sesame biscuits right here. Let's try this out. It really doesn't have a smell to it, so this is what it looks like. Y'all, I was not expecting that. Okay, first of all, it has somewhat of a sweet. It's like sweet. Oh, this is cool. It says you can dip the asparagus into coffee or espresso. So basically it says mini asparagus shaped. If y'all can see that. These are really good. Really good. I wasn't expecting for it to taste like this. It's really, it's like semi-sweet, which is crazy. I wasn't expecting that at all. Those are definitely delicious. Next, we have the Russells all dressed. These are a little exciting. Okay, let's check it out. Y'all, they smell like hot sauce. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's so good. Y'all gotta check these out. These are Canadians' very own Ruffles. Oh, I need to go down. I need to order these on Amazon by themselves. Like, give me like 3 bags of these. These are good, you guys. And let me tell y'all something. I do not care for potato chips. I don't. I really don't care for a lot of snack foods. So when I buy these subscription boxes, it's like something I want to try. And those are darn good. I just want to eat just a little bit and then save the rest for later. You know, like a little late night snack. Next we have, I don't know what this is, but it's like melted butter on the side. Maybe it's caramel. That's probably what it looks like. This is another one. Let's see what this is. I'm going to look and see in here now because I don't know what that is. Okay, that's crazy, but that's not in here. Okay, well, Let's dig in. Yep, these are caramel. These are delicious. This tastes like caramel popcorn. Want some, Bill? Want some? Oh, it's a... Sorry for the disappointment, my friend, but you can't get any. Want to peep out? Peep your head out. No, you can't. Okay. And these are delicious. This is way better than Snack Crate so far. They have some savory, some sweet. Oh, yeah. Every single last one of them. The 3 items that I tried so far is amazing. I absolutely love it. So we ended up getting 3 savory items. And the rest are sweet. Oh, yeah. So next we're going to try the Wave Up Extra, which is hazelnut cream wafer with peanut pieces. Y'all, we tried something like this in Snack Crate, didn't we? And to be quite honest with you, it's still in my pantry. It was not all that. It really wasn't. This doesn't smell sweet, and it's not chocolate. It's not like sweet as chocolate, so let's see. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It look a little washed out, like it's old or something. Y'all see that? Like a little turd. The turd is good. It's delicious. It's like the chocolate is melting in my mouth, and oh my god. Yeah, that's good. Like, it's not too sweet. That's what I love about it. With Snack Crate, they were sending me a lot of sweets. A lot of chocolate. And the chocolate was extremely sweet. I hated that. But this right here, y'all, this is good. This is real good. My dog over here sniffing. Girl, that's mine, honey. You can't have that no way. And next, we have this corn on the cob here. You know what? I take it back. I'm not even gonna make the negative noises, y'all. Because what if it's good? Because everything else I tried has been good. This looks like a little Cheeto puff. That's a little Cheeto puff right there. It doesn't even smell like anything. You want to smell it? It smells weird, huh? Bella, she real shy today. She don't want to show her face. This tastes like corn on the cob for real. Y'all know, like the corn that come out the can and you just put it in a pot with a little bit of seasoning. This is what this tastes like, and it ain't bad. It's a little Cheeto puff. Okay. We got a couple more items, y'all. We got a couple more items. Next, we have the Atomic Waste Adams Candy. Chewy particles of pure sour lemon, strawberry, and raspberry flavored. Okay, come on with the come on. Come on with the come on. These are like nerds. So, I'm excited to try. I'm going to just try one. It's like gum. It ain't sour though. Maybe if you put a lot in your mouth, then Yeah, taste it. Next, we have the Bernard Gummy Cheesecake Ice Cream. Oh, yeah. Cheesecake ice cream in the building. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm excited about this now. Here we go. My little ice cream. Mmm. That's good. What I really like is that a lot of their snacks, like that's supposed to be sweet, it's not as sweet, which is way better to me because I can enjoy it more. That's delicious. And then here's like the little cheesecake here. Yeah, it's the same taste. Okay. Great. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. We have 3 more items left, you guys. 3 more items. Oh! Okay. Boom popping candy, strawberry and cherry flavored. Y'all. Get down with the get down. Get down with the get down. Motherfucker upstairs. Oh, they're individuals. Okay. I thought it was going to be. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Let me go ahead and try it out. Nope. What if it's sour? Hopefully y'all hear it because I don't know. That's like regular popping candy. If like y'all know, regular popping candy, nothing special. But it's good. It's really good. Next girl, why you wanna try my come here. Don't be camera shy. Don't be camera shy. Like she keep trying to get my snacks. What my dog trying to do me like that? So next we have the Coffee Crisp Salted Caramel. Okay. Now y'all, we already know what this tastes like. Some caramel popcorn. Let's try this out. Let's try it. This really tastes like a Kit Kat. There's nothing really special about that. Next, we have the Milka Collage with caramel. That might be busting. Hey, that might be busting, honey. Busting, honey. Hey, busting, honey. Busting, honey. Hey, busting, honey. It'll be busted if I can open this thing. Like, the packaging is pretty. This little purple. I tried Milka chocolate before. And it's really good. Okay, so I'm going to take a little piece out. And this is what it looks like. I can see that. Okay. That's really good. That's really good. Also, let me tell y'all one thing. With Snack Crate, I noticed that they gave me a lot of products that were close to the expiration date. They expired that month. With Munchpak, they don't expire soon whatsoever. So if you just wrap it up and put it in the pantry, a little Ziploc bag, or put your chocolate in the freezer, it'll be good to go. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah.